London, Rome, Athens, and Paris, each embodying a unique tapestry of history, culture, and charm, have long captivated the imaginations of travelers worldwide. In London, the grandeur of Buckingham Palace and the iconic silhouette of Big Ben stand as testaments to its regal past. Rome, known as the Eternal City, invites visitors to step back in time and wander through millennia of history etched in its ancient ruins, such as the Colosseum and the Roman Forum. Yet, Rome is more than a mere museum of antiquity. It is a living, breathing metropolis where the aroma of a freshly baked pizza mingles with the scent of espresso drifting from quaint cafes nestled in picturesque piazzas. Subscribe for more great travel videos. Athens, the cradle of Western civilization, entices travelers with its rich tapestry of myth and history woven into the fabric of its ancient monuments. Ascending the Acropolis, visitors are greeted by the iconic Parthenon, a testament to the city's golden age of democracy and philosophy. Paris, the city of light, evokes an air of timeless romance and sophistication, drawing visitors into its enchanting embrace with iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. From leisurely strolls along the Seine to sipping café au lait at a sidewalk bistro, Paris exudes an effortless elegance that permeates every aspect of daily life. There you have it, 4 great European destinations for Americans. Subscribe for more fabulous travel destinations.